Hello world, this is a quick video of my wife and I spending our 20th anniversary in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. This is about a 3-hour drive west of Denver Airport, and we are coming from Louisiana, and so this drive was beautiful to see the mountains and the trees, and it was a really good drive. So we stayed at the actual Glenwood Hot Springs Lodge, and this is what it looks like from the front. And right in front of it, which I'll show you in a second, is where the actual hot springs is. It's right in front of your hotel. Now, one thing to note is that the food, your breakfast that comes with the lodge, and the pool is actually in front of the hotel, and you have to walk back and forth from it. No big deal. It was great walking the short distance for breakfast and to go to the pool. So here's the view from our balcony, from our hotel room. There was some construction. We went in 2023 and they're expanding. So that's the pool. That is not an entrance right in front of you. You have to go all the way around. So here's the half-mile bridge. You can go to the left and go down to the pool. That's where it also takes you to the fitness center, which I'll show you in a second, the signs to that, and then the pool main entrance, which is where you have your free breakfast. But across this bridge is, you can look to the left and see the big pool. And then the rest of this bridge is where you go over the major highway, you'll go over a river, and then you go down some steps, and that's the main area of where all the restaurants are. So this is where we went for lunch and dinner every day. Now this is down the stairs across that bridge, and this is where all the restaurants were. We ate at, I think, 6 restaurants in total, and they were all delicious. They all had local flavors and seasonal stuff, and it was just great. And we ate quite a bit over here. It's really nice. There's a train station behind us, and right on the other side of that train is the river. It's a really nice place. We enjoyed it a lot. So after we ate breakfast or lunch, you can go down to the pool. So this is one of the entrances here. And then you keep going to the main office, or you can go to the athletic club. We did get the fitness package. It's a very nice gym. It actually looks like a hotel that was converted into the gym if you look at the flooring and the individual rooms. But we are pleased with the fitness package because we are an active couple. And so this is the athletic club here. It has racquetball, free weights, machines, everything, and it's really nice. And we enjoyed that fitness package. Here's a quick little video of the tram ride up to the Glenwood Springs Adventure Park. I didn't get a lot of video because I didn't want to bring my GoPro. It was very windy, so we got a little sick. So if you are prone to motion sickness, just be careful on the gondola rides up here. So besides the hot springs, of course, and eating a lot, we also got a massage. One of the primary things we wanted to do was come here to the Hanging Lake Trail. This is a moderate to difficult 1.2 mile trail. You need to bring water, you need to bring sunscreen. They don't have any public toilets and no vending machines. And you basically follow a waterfall the entire path. It's incredibly beautiful. We're so glad we did it, but like I said, it is a moderate to difficult self-sustaining path. And so it is about a half mile on this trail before you even get to the trail. So this is the beginning of the trail here, and it is loud the whole time. I've turned down the audio for you to enjoy, but it is loud the entire way up. This is a real hike. Cool things is that the trail goes back and forth across the waterfall, so there's these really cool bridges where you get to go right above the waterfall and see it crash down, and we enjoyed that part a lot. here we are at the lake portion of it. This is not the end of the trail, but this is the lake. And as you can see right off the bat, there's a nice shore, then a deep blue water, and that is from the travertine rocks underneath over time. Gives it a nice blue, and you have this overlook deck here, and the waterfalls kind of drain into the hanging lake pool. You can't go behind it, unfortunately. There's some protected plants, but this was really cool to see, and you can go pretty much 180 around it, and it was a cool place to rest too, because this was kind of challenging after this point. Here is the end of the trail where the big waterfall is, and it is awesome to see. And so we really enjoyed it. Again, it's 1.2 miles, no public toilets, which is hard with the sound of water rushing the entire time. You have to bring your own water, bring your own sunscreen, maybe even a little snack, but it was worth it, especially to see a huge waterfall like this. My wife loves waterfalls. We've been to Hawaii before to see it, and this was well worth it. And we really enjoyed our whole trip, and I'm glad I got to film it with my GoPro, and I got to show you all. And thanks for watching. Bye, world.